Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today is the next class and today we will discuss about variations, how you can create variations and how you can, price them differently or section them accordingly. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Here I am. So I've already created a listing and I've already uploaded a few images here. And if now I scroll down a little bit. Okay, so to make variations, to create variations, first you have to select the category of the product. So I will go here and let's say like I am uploading some, lotions and creams. So I will go with, let's see if we can find some creams here. Okay, moisturizers, facial care, bar soaps, creamers, essential oils. So I will go with moisturizers, let's say. And I'll click done. So the listing will appear in all three categories shown in beauty, bath and beauty, skincare, and moisturizers. Now I will go to the variation section. You will find here, you can click also here to go to variation section. Now in the variation section, click on add variations. And here you can see what type of variation it is. Like you want to create the variation in the primary color. Like you are selling, for example, you're selling a shirt in blue, red, black and green color. So you want to create the variation in primary color or secondary color or the volume, or you can create your own. So I will create my own for now. So here we are. So first I have to name the custom variation. So I would say body part. Like I have some foot cares and some moisturizers and lotions. So I will say body part and link photos to this variation. Yes, I will link the photos. Now, buyers can choose from the following options. Use the options listed here to peek for discoverability. Buyers want to see custom options in the filters. So now I have to add the options. So I will say foot, add, I will say facial, add, and let's say the third option is hand. So we created three variations. The one is foot, facial, and the hands. Now I have to select the photos. So I will click here, click on select photo, and I will go to, this is the body part foot. So this is the foot lotion. I will select this one. Now the next one is facial. I will select this one. This is a facial lotion. And the third one, I will go here and select photo. That is this one, that is hand lotion. So and we have already linked three variants to this one. Link photos, this variation, all done, and I will click done here. So now this, we have now three variations. Now if we want to add more variations, we can click on add variation and we can select it. Other than that, you can go to prices vary. Like if the prices of these three variations vary to each other, different from each other, you can take it, select this one, prices vary, and the quantities vary or not, SKUs and all that thing. Now I will go, if you click, if you want to add any more variation, you can go here and add the variation. I don't want to add, I'm sticking with this one right now. So all done here, we'll click done and we'll click apply. When you apply this, you will see here like the three variations here, and here are the three prices, separate prices for each item. So like if I am selling the foot for 35, for the facial lotion, I'm selling it for 40 pounds. And for this one, I'm selling it for 45 pounds. Okay. After this, you can see the variations has been created. Now, if you want to disable any variation or, hide any variation, you can just simply go here and uncheck it or check it. It's up to you. If you want to change the variations, you can simply click here on manage variations and all that. So now you just simply click on publish and it will be published. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.